G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider. I'm on my way to Elaine to meet up with Barry from Baz66. Yeah, we're due for rain this afternoon, so we made it a short ride. We're meeting right in the middle between Geelong and Ballarat. I just saw a very large roo just before I hit this dirt, so I'm keeping my eyes peeled. There's some more roos there, little Joey. I don't know if you'll see him hopping through the bush there. Hello. Yep, she's working. Alright, we're back in business. The Insta360 has decided to work. Had to pull it apart, put it back together, and off it went. Must have been a bad connection between the battery and the camera. So I've got no idea what footage I got earlier. Quick catch up. I'm with Barry on the Triumph Tiger. We've done some really cool tracks around the lane. This is LL, I think. Anyways, let's go. Righto, which way? Righto. Yeah, I couldn't work out what was going on with the camera. There was just, there's no lights on it, nothing was happening. Yeah, just tried a different charger, tried different cords, nothing would work. And I just thought, pull it apart, put it back together, and off she went. These Insta360 One RS cameras come apart in 3 pieces. Anyway, you don't care about my camera problems. Yeah, we've done some really cool tracks out here so far. Hopefully I've got a bit of footage on the other GoPro. Tell you what, he's been getting along alright on that Tiger. She's a pretty big bike, but it's the road going version, but it handles fine. He's got 50/50 tyres. I can't remember exactly what sort they are. Might be EO7s. Look at this one. Whoa, whoa, Kidna. He's trying to hide. Sorry dude, give you a dust bath. Oh, no, he's given up on that. You give up trying to dig a hole, he's out of here. Try not to scare you, buddy. Look at him go. Oh, he's trying to dig again, is he? He's hiding. It's alright, buddy, we won't hurt you. Oh. Rightio. Quick stop to look at some wildlife. He's digging still. You can see the dirt moving. He's buried his face and tucked himself right in. Nothing could bite him or anything. Wouldn't even be able to grab hold of it. Far out, he's just about under that tree. Righto, let's go. There was a nice big hill here. Yeah.
I didn't mean to come up this one.
Oh, righto. Probably turn up there. Looks like it. Yeah. Gonna try it.
I'll follow you.
Righto. You know, my judgment's not very good. Righto, let's see what this track's got. Looking alright so far. Oh, you're gonna get over that on the big Tiger. No. Ooh. Oh. Wait up, wait up.
Really weak on the best side.
Yeah. Yeah. No, you're not going to get over like that. Your front wheel's off the ground. You'll have to jump off and we'll lift it over.
Yeah.
It's stuck on the front of the bash plate, so we need to lift the front. Grab the crash bar and that bung there. No, she ain't moving. Turn it back if you like, if we can get it back. You just need a little wheelie to clear that front of the bash plate, but if you want to go back, that's fine. It's not going to get any better, is it?
You'll just have to jump it again.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we'll end up coming back.
Alright, I'll get it in.
Right, I'll go up a little bit and turn around. Let's have a quick look. Just want to see how far it actually goes. No, that's it. That is it. Oh, shoot. There's one for you, Krog. You'd get down that, no worries. Righto, I've got a fairly big log here. That's better. Why couldn't I do that before? I wasn't pulling the clutch in after the jump, that's why. It didn't go far. There was a massive log and then downhill.
Really?
Yeah.
Really feeling the weight. How heavy this bike is.
Yeah.
This will take us right back around to nearly out.
Yeah, righto.
Unless we find another one going across.
Yeah, righto. Yep. Ooh, lost the gear. Where'd it go?
put down gears.
Oh, righto.
I don't know, something. I can't, I'm stuck in third gear. So
Third.
I get the shit.
That felt like it went then.
Oh, what's going on?
Yeah, it's going now.
Ah, get in here. Freaking in there. Yeah, you must have got in there. No, I didn't.
That's neutral there, I think.
Oh, it still says third gear.
Third. Feels like it's going through the gears. Does that need revs or something to work out what gear it's in? Oh, yeah, there's your neutral light there. Here we go.
Come on. Yeah.
Yeah, you got neutral. It says neutral.
That's weird.
Righto, off again. Yeah, you got stuck in third gear for some reason. It all seems fine. Dunno. We go front. Ooh, I got a feeling we've done this today. Yeah, we possibly come through here. It's alright. Trucks are completely different in the opposite direction, aren't they? Hey, Barry's having a bit of trouble changing gears. Oh, no, I'm going ahead. Yeah, he seems to be stuck in fifth. Just going to make these tight tracks very difficult. I'm going to head back to a lane and probably make our separate ways, I guess. Barry's having some bike troubles. I've had some camera troubles today. There is definitely rain coming on the radar, so yeah, we'll get out of here. Been a good fun day though. Good to get out, unwind a bit before Christmas. Mind you, Christmas hasn't been too stressful this year. We've got a full drive coming and a bog hole. Ooh. That would have been tricky in fifth. Maybe he's got it to change gears by now. Alright. In fifth. Yeah, he's still in fifth. Don't know what's going on there. That Speedo just dropped to 0. What now? Oh mate, tell you what. I've noticed it playing up a bit lately. The dash didn't come up when I turned the ignition on once. Just doing a couple of funny things. There we go, 75. Maybe the sensor's a bit far from the magnet. I don't know. Righto, we get our weight forward and we nail it about there. Tell you what, we've had some gremlins today. The camera's playing up. Barry can't change gears. Now my Speedo's all over the place. What are you in? In 6 now?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
I flicked it up a gear down the straight and then it wouldn't go back out.
Oh no. Seems to take off all right though.
Yeah, it can still take off.
Yeah.
Amazing, eh?
Well, I'm 4 minutes from home and I've just got the first spits of rain. I think we timed that pretty well. Apart from a few technical issues today, it's been a fun ride. Hope you've enjoyed the video and I'll see you next time.